Hi everyone, let's dive into a super cool concept in the world of AI, Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG for short. Imagine you're writing a report and you need to include some specific, up-to-date facts. You wouldn't just make them up, right? You'd look them up in a book, a database, or on the internet. RAG works in a very similar way. Before RAG, a large language model, or LLM, like ChatGPT, was a bit like a brilliant student who studied for a test a year ago. It has a ton of general knowledge, but its understanding is often frozen in time from its last training session. This means it doesn't have access to the most current information or highly specific details. Worse, it can sometimes hallucinate, making up facts that sound plausible but are totally wrong. Imagine it confidently telling you the moon is made of cheese. RAG adds a crucial step to this process. Instead of relying solely on its internal, frozen knowledge, it first goes and retrieves relevant information from an external source. This allows it to augment its understanding and then generate a precise, accurate answer. Implementing a RAG system involves two main phases. First, the data indexing phase. We start by gathering all our documents like files, web articles, company reports. Since a single document is often too large, we break them into smaller, meaningful segments called chunks. Next, each of these text chunks is converted into a vector embedding using a special embedding model. A vector is just a list of numbers that represents the semantic meaning of that text. Think of it like a coordinate in a huge space. Chunks with similar meanings will have vectors that are numerically close to each other. These embeddings, along with their original text chunks, are then stored in a specialized database called a vector database. This database is optimized for storing and incredibly efficiently searching these numerical vectors. It's the backbone of RAG's ability to find relevant information quickly. Now, for the retrieval and generation phase, what happens every time you ask a question? First, when you type your query, the same embedding model converts your question into its own vector. The system then takes your query's vector and searches the vector database for the most similar vectors. This is a semantic search, meaning it understands the concept of your question, not just keywords. It quickly finds the most relevant text chunks. The original user query and these newly retrieved relevant text chunks are then combined to create a single, augmented prompt. This is where the magic happens. We're literally stuffing the LLM's input with the specific information it needs to answer your question. Finally, this augmented prompt is sent to the large language model. The model, now grounded in this fresh, accurate information from the retrieved chunks, generates a response that is precise, detailed, and directly answers your question. And often, it can even cite its sources. So, why is RAG such a game changer? First, it dramatically boosts accuracy by grounding the model in real data, drastically reducing those embarrassing hallucinations. Second, it provides up-to-date knowledge without needing expensive model retraining. And third, it offers transparency, allowing you to verify information through cited sources. Now, you might be thinking, but large language models have huge context windows these days. They can handle so much text at once. Is RAG still relevant? That's a great question. And the answer is a resounding yes. RAG is still key. While large context windows are powerful, RAG offers distinct advantages. First, cost and efficiency. Passing smaller, targeted chunks is much cheaper than feeding an entire library to the large language model. Second, models can get lost in the middle of massive context. RAG is better at finding that needle in a haystack. Third, RAG handles dynamic data effortlessly, crucial for constantly updated information. And critically, RAG allows for robust privacy and access control, ensuring the model only sees data it's permitted to. So, RAG and large context windows aren't competitors. They're complementary technologies. RAG elevates models from brilliant, but sometimes isolated geniuses into powerful, reliable research assistants, building truly impactful and responsible AI applications. Thanks for watching.